Yeah, we start the stream a little bit early today because, yeah, like this setup is crazy on AU. It's not a bad one. So I close 80% on this setup, and I've posted my entry on the Discord, right? And yeah, moving up, we almost reached this level here, but you know, I think we can reach previous day 50%, right? I would like to see some buyers activate, right, for the session. But this was my setup actually, so that was clean. That was a nice setup. So we have 2 candle close here in 15 seconds, so the 30-minute and the 15-minute. If you're long on the U, just take some profit, right? Take some profit. Like, I mean, you know, it's still like a, you know, 5 pip setup for now, but you know, take some profit just in case the price retraces to entry, you know, you lose your profit. So, but I believe we can reach 50% of previous day, right? So, good morning, everyone. Good morning. So we are live. I'm just gonna not remove, but I'm gonna post the link. Oh, damn, that's a nice push. Oh, nice. I just want to make put the chat here. Bam, boom. You see that push? That's amazing, guys. Damn, beautiful. I've triggered a trade from my phone, you know, and I've come to the PC just to make sure that everything is fine. But one sec, I just need to post the link from the stream because I think like people, I'm a little bit early today, right? So I was planning to do the stream at 2:45, and it's 2:30. So one sec, I just want to post the link on the Discord real quick. I don't want to hear my voice. I hate that. All right, so I think I'm not the only one. Like everybody is ate his own voice. Alright, everyone, here's the link. Boom, boom. I'm gonna post the link on my Twitter as well, real quick. So yeah, I was not expecting to do the live like early on, but you know, everything is fine. So I was on the trade, so I would like to explain the trade, right? Alright. Alright, so now I can read the chat. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's feeling good. So I just want to explain the trade that I took. That was based off 5 minute, right? That was based off 5 minute. It's now even we reach like the 50% of our accumulation range, right? So, you know, maybe the price is gonna retrace a little bit. And that's also the first 5 minutes of the 30-minute candle. So, you know, 30 minutes gonna maybe retrace on the previous one and, you know, finish the push later on. But I'm already out, by the way. I'll close everything around like maybe around this level here. I was expecting to go there, but, you know, sometime you better just took your profit, right? Hello from Germany. Hey, welcome, welcome. So what's it? I just want to catch the trade. No, I just want to catch the chat a little bit because I feel that I'm missing on. So please, can you explain your entry? Yes, I'm gonna do that. What's your entry pattern? That was my model, actually. That was my FX4 model. I'm gonna explain that. It is possible to take profit in a Euro USD. Like if we enter one lot, can we take profit? Yeah. Yeah, you can take partial all the time. That's what I do as well, you know, that's what I do as well. I'll always take profit, like partial and stuff like that. Argentina, nice, amazing. India, nice, amazing. That's a lot of people from all around the world. That's nice. ICT community is huge, guys. Oh, I'm disconnected. Damn. Okay. For some reason. Oh, I think I need to close my other computer. 1 sec. Alright, as you can see, damn bro, as you can see, this new 30 minute was a disaster, right? But still, if you're still like on a break even, that's not bad. But we still have a little fair value gap here in the 2 minute. It's pretty small, but you know, that might be it, that might be it, that might be it, who knows. That might jump from there, right? That might jump from there because we have a kind of breakup structure over there, right? But anyways, so I didn't enter because I didn't see any close with the displacement. Yeah, that was this candle here for me is a displacement, right? Because we run into stops. So for me here, if you check that like that, we took those break, you know, those stop loss here, you know, here on this massive drop down here, right? And this green candle here, this is my displacement for me, at least, you know. We don't have the same, maybe we don't have the same definition, but it's fine, you know. At the end of the day, you gotta decide what you want to do, you know. You gotta decide if for you this is a displacement, you can base your trade out of that, you know. You don't need to be perfect all the time. Like people think that if you're not perfect or whatever, you're just, you know, but it's not exactly like. So I just want to explain the trade real quick, but so we took the stops here on the accumulation range low. Asian range low was here. We took the Asian range low as well, right? So double PD arrays here, right? And this was my displacement basically. So I just enter like on the next 3 minute here. On this level here, right? So look, this level, maybe I can remove, no, I don't want to remove that, but I can remove that. Too many lines, I don't want to. And I'm going to go on a 1 minute, right? So when I've seen this reaction here, this little green candle here, I enter straight up, you know. And then, you know, just price going back up. And I was targeting this eye, all those high here, right? and you know, price go up, boom, reach 50% of our accumulation range. But now I feel, you know, that's the thing, right? Right now we have, that's the thing right now. We have a new candle here, 30-minute. Look at this. That's the craziest thing, right? If you understand how the candle works, right? Look. This is the new candle, right? This one, right? So candle, the new H1 open. Oh, H1 open, grab liquidity below the range, right? Come back in at the middle at the first 15-minute close. So the first, for me, like the first 15-minute close, if it's bear, if it's bullish, rejecting that previous PDA raise, right? For me, next one is like the move, right? So this 15-minute here was like a nice bullish candle, right? Close here. New 30-minute open. New 15-minute as well. New 5, whatever. Price retrace. Boom. Retrace back down. But still respect this low here for now. So I think that was like our fair value gap on the 3-minute, 2-minute, right? And this is kind of a nice move actually. So I think, honestly, I think like we still can reach the 50% here. But I'm out of this trade actually. I've closed around this area, just above this high, you know. Pakistan, nice, nice. I'm from Sri Lanka. Where this country? I'm gonna Google that. I'm curious. All right, I'm curious. I know that it's not a subject, but I'm just curious. So where it is, place? Damn. Okay, that's pretty. That's nice. Where it is? Damn, it's like a small island, guys. Damn, look at this. Look, that's cool. No, is it? Look, that's a kind of island, right? That's cool. Damn, I never seen that place. That's nice. So I'm glad that you trade there. That's nice. I did enter. I mean, this place over the high that lead. Oh, that's not looking good. Yeah, that's a, you know, that's a small, that was just a scalp, right? That was just a scalp. That was not like a big swing or whatever, you know. TP on previous daily high? No, I don't believe, to be honest. I don't believe, because previous day is bearish, right? But we can go over that after. That was an awesome explanation of the vertical line. Nice, nice, amazing. Cool, cool. I am from Iran. Nice, damn. Where are you guys coming from exactly? If you can type that in the chat, I'm just curious, you know. And it's nice. It's nice. So Somalia, nice, nice, nice. Do you look the XY before the session? Yes, I have the XY on another screen all the time. I have the XY on another screen all the time. From UK, nice, nice. Wait, are you the Craig on the Discord? Nice. Zimbabwe, damn, that's nice. Italian, nice. Netherlands. I'm from Nigeria, nice. India, London, damn, that's a lot of people from everywhere. That's crazy, guys. France, nice. Bonjour, bonjour. I'm speaking French as well. That's nice. Damn. Barcelona, nice. There's a lot of people from everywhere. Oh, damn, look at this. Damn, 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 damn. This ice about to get ready. The XY running lower, yeah. That's the thing, right? We took like the high here. So for me here, all those stuff, they are out, you know. So, but previous day on DXY is bullish, right? So it's not like a big short. That's the thing. Look, if you check that on a 30-minute, right? It's pretty choppy in this area, right? On the daily transfer from Uganda. Nice. Damn. That's a lot of people from everywhere. That's cool. So if you look this is the XY, right? The previous daily high, previous daily low, and we have our equilibrium 50% range, you know, on so that gives you like a little bit of confluence on where the price gonna go, you know. That's what I like. That's the if you guys don't know, this is my FX4 model indicator, right? This is this indicator has been made by 2 degrees. So if you guys don't follow him on Twitter, I can show you guys real quick. But 2 degrees, my man, is a machine. So is the guy. If you want a guy that are a good programmer, this one is an amazing trader as well. So, but and he's created this indicator as well. This one, the PO3 one. Sri Lanka is a beautiful island with so many beautiful places. That's nice. From Morocco, nice. Belarus is where it is. Belarus. I'm curious. So it says Eastern Europe. It is bordered by Russia on to the east of northeast. Okay. Okay. Syrian, watch you from Europe. Nice. Can you give me a short explain of your model? Or it is private? No, it's not private. It's gonna be free. It's just want to check that. Oh damn. So yeah, but that's the thing. That was a small trade, right? Because look, I'm gonna remove everything since I'm done with this trade. But if we go on the 1 hour example, all right. So this is pretty simple, right? Previous daily high, previous daily low. So this is your equilibrium. That means the price can retrace to 50%, some kind of rejection in premium zone, and boom, retarget the low of the day, you know. Like this is the, you know. So for now, this is what it is basically. And look at the daily as well. The daily, this is like the top wick, right? Top wick here from the daily. And this line is like the open price. So that means this was like a grab. And then, you know, price go back down. So I was the buy that I've made, that was just a scalp, right? That was not respecting at all like the higher time frame, you know. But I can explain a little bit how the model works. So just an example, right? But it's gonna be more detail about that next week. I'm planning to release that next week, by the way. So, and it's gonna come with an indicator for their trading view, and it's gonna be nice for that. So people don't have to draw everything every day, you know. So this is the three main line that you need, right? And this is your daily open. So daily open, I'm just gonna put like and it's 99% of ICT concept, right? I've like invented pretty much nothing. I just like put some stuff together and that end up behind a profitable not strategy but profitable model, right? Hey, I'm from cocaine country. Damn, is it what is it? Is it like I don't remember exactly. I think it's damn, I don't remember. But I think I know what it is. So this is your daily open, right? So this is the daily open, the daily separator, right? So you have your previous day, new day, basically. And what I want to see example, so example, like if the price was like bearish previous day, maybe I can put something else, right? So maybe like they open like that, go up here, go back down, retrace a little bit, and then close here. All right, so there was your previous day, right? Colombia, exactly. That's what I was thinking. So the next day the price open here, right? And what we get on the first phase of the day, we get an accumulation session, right? So for me, Asian session plus the open price to 2 a.m. is my accumulation box. That's my accumulation range, right? So that means the price gonna accumulate like that for a couple hours. And what I mean by that is in this area, there's a lot of people that gonna buy, you know, an Asian session, like all the retail trader, whatever, like the people that don't really know what to do, whatever, they just scalper, whatever. So people's gonna buy, sell, but the price gonna range because there's no volatility, right? There's no in an Asian session, you have no volatility, so that means the price gonna range. And when the price range, this is where the big institution and stuff like that gonna accumulate position, you know. So people's gonna stack, like there's a lot of people here that are gonna have like buy, a lot of people's gonna have sell. There's two options as well, right? You cannot like there's two options. You just can buy and you just can sell. So what's that mean? That mean you have, look, that mean you have stop loss here above, right? Maybe I can put that red so you guys can understand stop loss. So you have stop loss here, you have stop loss here, and remember, this is your daily separator. This line here with the dot is your daily separator, and you still have the previous daily low, previous daily high, previous day 50%, right? So at the open of the day, price gonna range, and then at 2 a.m., right? 2 a.m. So this is 6 a.m. Don't care about that, but look, at 2 a.m. price gonna close here. All right. So what I'm looking for my setup, you know, for my setup. Oh, also, what does that mean, right? This is your previous daily discount, previous daily premium, right? So you have premium daily, you know, so Asian high, Asian low. This is 2 PD arrays as well. So I want to put like a small box here as well, right? From the open of the day to 2 a.m. This is my range. This is my own range. You can use like midnight. You can do whatever you want. But for my model, my basic model, I want to use from open to 2 a.m. That's my whole range. I want the whole range. Straight up before the open of London, right? The London kill zone at 2 a.m. to 5 a.m., right? From ICT. So what I'm looking for, I want to raid above this high or raid below this low, right? And after, I want a displacement back inside this range to prove me that we took people out. And then, you know, I'm just gonna take a trade. It's not complicated, you know, it's not complicated at all. But I can continue here, right? So example, price go So we are on previous day discount. What does that mean? We are in the buy program for the algo, right? We are in a buy program zone, basically, you know, compared to yesterday, we are cheap, price are cheap, right? So example, if the price go right the low here, this is a discount PDRA, right? The low of Asian range, right? And if we rate previous daily low, that's a double PDRA. So that means there was liquidity here resting, and also there was liquidity here resting. So if price go back inside the range, and it's actually like a displacement, maybe I can identify the low of the range, but yeah, I can put like the smallest line like that. All right, so just gonna zoom a little bit. Maybe I can like move that thing a little bit. All right. So here, right, we took the sell side liquidity, right, on this small accumulation rate. That's my model, guys. That's my model. And if the price come back inside the range with a displacement, that mean we you know, that mean we kind of activate like the seller here. So what does that mean? The price gonna deliver on a buy side, you know, because we just took the sell side. So what's the best logic next move, you know? So example, if you have like a small high here, right? Price gonna retrace, you know, and come back to take this high because we activate the low here. So I'll give you a good example, right? If somebody goes short here, automatically, because you put like a sell order under the low of this range, and he's targeting maybe 1 to 2, right? Where's his stop loss is back inside the range, right? And if it's above here, maybe that will be an option, but you know, you need like at least 1 to 1, basically. There's nobody trading like 3 pip TP and a 10 pip stop loss, you know. That make no sense at all. When public script indicator, it's not gonna be a public script because there's a lot of technology that 2 degrees have done with this thing. But it's gonna be a public indicator, so if that means you can click on it and then, you know, you can put it on your chart, no problem. It's gonna be no fees, whatever. It's entirely free, right? So if people getting activated here, sell stop, where's their stop loss is? Their stop loss is above a certain high here, right? A certain high here. So if you take a buy here, example, in a discount PDA raise, and you invalidate your trade maybe on the previous daily low, and you maybe target, I don't know, the high of this range, 50% of previous daily high. This is a low, you know, that's a low probability trade in my opinion, but especially if the previous day is bearish, because look, this is a previous day bearish, you know. But at least, you know, you want at least to get like this buy side here, maybe a buy side in this range, you know. If we take the Asian range high, we're still in a PD discount, right? Yeah, so this, okay, so look, this is the thing, right? This is another, there's gonna be a lot of option, right? But look, I'm just gonna give you an example. So if price activate the buyer here, right? Don't go long right away, because it's an accumulation range. I mean, this is a manipulation in my opinion, right? And that happened exactly yesterday on the Euro USD, right? They activate the buyer, they go back down or straight up, and boom, the price come back up like that. Why? Because if you go long here, automatically with a buy stop, they gotta put you down before going up, you know. So they take you out from the trade first, and then they go up, because they don't want you to make money, right? So So it's like a double confirmation, right? You have your accumulation range, high and low, premium discount, into a previous day premium discount as well. So it's like a double confirmation, right? If you want to go long, from example this low to 50% example, but you know, where do you get the little box on the bottom right? So this box is gonna be on the FX4 model indicator, and I can show you the indicator that gonna come with, you know, with the model and stuff. But look, there's no setting. That's the beautiful thing. There's no setting. That means people gonna put that on their chart, and whatever you, where, if you're like in Nigeria, if you're in Colombia, whatever, where you are, everything's gonna be on the right time, you know, because the way we made it is gonna be like an universal like time zone, you know, so it's gonna be nice for that. And another thing that I want to show real quick, so this is the explanation, but it's gonna come with a lot of detail. There's more detail than that, to be honest, but you know, it's just like a great small quick explanation, you know. So but I just want to show you something, right? So this indicator is gonna be able, if your chart are black example, so look, the indicator is gonna switch for white automatically. You don't need to change the color and stuff like that. Everything's gonna change automatically, you know. So that's the cool thing. And if you go back on the light chart, boom, you know, everything's gonna come back like it's supposed to be. So look, the indicator is pretty much that. Look, wait, oh damn. Uh-oh. My skill is fucked. Oh, maybe I need to change the chart and come back. Yeah, it's fine. All right. Thanks for the example. Nice, thank you. No, you're welcome. I mean, so look, there's a couple times that we take this low here, right? But you know, we'll see. The possibility of a buy is still possible, and I'll give you the best example here, right? Look, this low here, right, is the low, right? So this low here, respect this low, right? And if you go further, this eye violated this high, right? So this is like, this is technically a lower high, right? A higher high. So right now we just like grab liquidity, maybe the price gonna switch, we'll see. So you can go on a smaller time frame after, you know, and just seeing the thing happen. Look, it's pretty clear actually. So look how the price react to this accumulation range low. You see that? So that might be the foundation of a new buy, basically. But I'm done for the day, right? I'm done for the day. Look, that was a nice push. And if you go in the 3 minutes, probably more clear, right? If you go in the 1 minute, you have like better structure. Oh yeah, that's a buy actually. You see that push down and that push back straight up? That's not a retail trader that do big move like that on Euro USD. They need to be like somebody that has power, right? So it is what it is. The target now is this high, right? This high. I believe that we can reach this high. It's not that hard. Your model for trading is so simple, but what we need from you, if you can tell us how you read the candle, like to give us more example, if you look for bearish and the candle close. If you go deep with this, yeah, I'm gonna go deep with this, to be honest. That's the model that I trade every day, right? So for me, it's just normal, you know. I see the setup all the time. That happened over and over and over and over and every, you know, and every day, you know. So the indicator is not really an indicator that gonna say like, hey, you can buy, hey, you can sell, you know. So that's not gonna be that. That's gonna be more like a framework, you know. But it's just automated. You don't need to plot anything, you know. You just like, you just come in front of your computer. You don't have to plot anything. You just see the thing develop, you know, just see the price developing. Once we inverted the 1 minute FVG, yeah. So the price go up now. So looks like maybe I can put that there, but look, if I was long, maybe I would go long, maybe this reaction here from above this high, and I will target this high, and stop loss gonna be below here, you know. Look, if I was in this trade right now, I will take profit already. Maybe not take profit, but I will take partial, maybe 20-30%. Because you're in profit, you gotta get paid, yeah, right? That's the most important thing. If you don't get paid, you never's gonna, I mean, you're never gonna be a profitable trader, right? If you're in profit and you don't take like, I mean, if you don't take like partial or something, you know, if you don't pay like, I don't know, if you don't take something that pay like, example, like your look, I'll give you the best example, right? If you work at a job, right, and you gain like, example, $30 an hour, right? It's just an example, right? Maybe you can win more, maybe we can win less, whatever. But if you gain like $30 an hour, why don't you take like a $30 on the trade, example, if you are $500 up, you know what I mean? So pay it yourself. If you paid $30 sitting in front of a chart, even if you can make like $600, if you pay $30 for your time, damn, that's a big game changer, right? Yo, look at this push. One more question. You enter on fair value gap or displacement. So I want to see a displacement back inside my range, and then after I can find whatever, you know, I can find like a fair value gap. I can just sometimes I just enter a buy, and I've put like, look, sometimes I see the price coming back with the displacement inside the range. I'll take a buy straight up at this level here because it's my range, you know, my range here, and I'll put my validation here. That's it, you know. Don't go crazy, you know. Because if the price retraces at this low, you're fucked basically, right? You're already done. And look, this is a 4.6 pip range, you know, so you're fine, you know, you're fine. You don't need to get like the perfect stop loss at this level exactly, and my entry is gonna be on this 1 minute here, and you know, you just can enter if the price displays inside the range. Look, if we go on the 3 minute there, this for me here was a displacement, right? Because look, we break this high here, and that was like a crazy move. Look, this candle here, bro, damn. After running for stop, look, this is for me stops, you know. So price go down, boom, rate the stops, displace inside the range. I take a buy here, and boom, I just close around this area, right? That's it. That's all you need. That's all you need. Don't go crazy, you know. You can go crazy. You can try to find the perfection, but you know, that will come with a time as well, you know. At the beginning, if you always try to get like the perfect snipe or whatever, at the end of the day you will just get nothing, right? So you gotta dip yourself a little bit and at least take something, you know. If you're in profit like 1 hour, you gotta take some partial, dude. Because if you don't do that, how are you gonna build confidence, you know? That's a mental, trading is a mental game, right? It's a mental game. You have like buyers that have their opinion, their thoughts, and you have the seller that have their opinion and their thoughts as well. So it's two different people, you know. And it's fine. You gotta respect like everybody, you know. And there's money for everybody, you know. That's the thing. That's a Forex, that's a $7 trillion a day volume, you know. That's a lot of fucking money if you think about that. That's crazy. That's like more money than any there's a lot of money than more there's a small country, you know. So that's looking good actually. Damn. The daily is about to flip bullish as well. Look, if that... Oh, damn, that's a nice push. I will take more profit here, damn, for sure, dude. Oh, we run for those high, 100%. But I will take more profit here, for sure, if I was in this trade. But I'm already done. Guys, I've made a lot of profit today just by the small trade here. That's it. That's all you need. And over the years, you're gonna increase your capital, and you're gonna increase your confidence, and everything's gonna go more further, you know. Like you're gonna become like, you know. I don't speak English, and I just see your cursor. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna put the subtitle after this this live. But sometimes it take like maybe 10 hours before I can do that. Oh. Damn, look. Like, even if you believe that the price can reach above here, if you see a massive push green like that, take some partial, you know, take some partial. Partial trade taken? Nice, amazing. Good job. Oh, if traded, I mean, are you in the trade or not? Because look, the price can return to entry, you know. And even if you're super confident or whatever, like, doesn't matter. Like, you're in profit, you're in profit. Look, that's a 2.5 R here, you know. Look. The first year that I was trading, of course I was losing money because everybody lose money when they start trading, but every time I was up in profit, I was always giving back my profit to market because I was too greedy, you know? Look, if you were too greedy on this push, this is how you end up. You lose everything, you know? Damn, that was a 2.5 R almost. Look, I can put like straight up here. 2.17 R. This setup. So if you don't take profit, you just eat nothing, you know. What is the indicator that showed a daily candle? This is PO3. That indicator has been made by 2 degrees, so it's PO3. And this one here. Our time frame PO power of 3, and he has the Pro Plus too. So the Pro Plus is you can have like multiple candle and stuff like that. But personally, I use this one for now. But I have access of this one as well. Maybe I can show you guys. Oh, I have already max indicator. So And Bitcoin game, yeah, you can have like all the time frame you want. For example, if you want to show like the 4 hour, you can show just the 4 hour. If you want to show the 45 minute, you can show the 45. If you want to show like the 30 minute and go on the 1 minute, you know, look, I'll put the 30 minute here and I'll go to 1 minute. You see that? Look. So what does that mean, right? What does that mean? That's nice. That's interesting, actually. The 30-minute candle open here, grab liquidity down, then boom, rally up, you know. This is the high of the candle. This is the price actual, right? So maybe price gonna still go up and break that high, but if you take that trade and you don't take profit, like I don't know what to say, you know. Because you gotta decide, right? If you want to be a scalper, you gotta take profit all the time. Because you are on a smaller time frame, you know, you are on a faster environment, right? The more you trade on the lower time frame, the more you're gonna take partial faster. Because it's not like a guarantee stuff, you know. So look, I'll just put back the 30 the daily, because I like to look at the daily at the same time. Indicator name, previous daily high. So this indicator is gonna be my FX4 model. And it's gonna be released maybe next week. I try to release it next week. It's gonna be that, look. And if you remember exactly what I've explained, it's, you know, it's not complicated. Basically, you have an accumulation range here, right? This is your accumulation range. And I want to see manipulation at the London Open in the London kill zone, right? So here the stop taken, price come back up, reach 50% of the range. Meaning, look, this is actually something. Look, because I have the 50% of this range as well. So look here when the price reach 50%. That was the premium zone of this accumulation range. And boom, people sell instantly, you know. Because the algo know, you know, the algo know that the price is cheaper, price is expensive, you know. All that type of stuff. Oh yeah, we're gonna go for this high. I would like to see those high getting raid, to be honest. Like this high here, this high here, this high here, those three high here. I would like to see that taken. So you can place yeah, you can place two like that. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I like the fatty one as well. I use that, but I use it on my 49-inch monitor. So I just remove all those short, and I have like, oh, maybe I have a screenshot of that somewhere. Wait a minute. Oh, there's a lot of, oh, another scammer. Damn, rip. I gotta find this scammer real quick. Okay. Yeah, there's always scammer that try to impersonate myself, but just to make sure that everybody know that I don't sell anything at all. I sell nothing. I sell absolutely nothing. So don't get caught, you know. Don't buy anything, like I don't sell investment, and I will never like DM you whatever, you know. So don't get like don't get fooled, you know. Please don't get fooled. That will be I'll be sad to hear like somebody getting scammed by a fake myself, you know. But I cannot do anything against that, you know, because the real life is full of scammer basically, right? So isn't the 3 a.m. macro moves? Oh, that's a thing as well. That's a thing. That's a thing. So you have the 2 a.m., right? 3 a.m., right? But also you have the 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. That's your silver bullet time window, right? So I would say 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. is a more higher probability winning trade, you know. You have more volatilities, more trader, you know. And I will say 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. is a lower probability, but if your target is not too high, it's not too hard, you still have a good chance to win some trade, you know. So look, I took a buy here. I was like targeting the 50% here, and that's it, you know. You can put your stop here if you want, but I was like pretty conservative on this one. But yeah, a lot of back and forth price action. Yeah, this is not crazy. This week is kind of relaxed. I feel like it's gonna be. That's another thing, right? We are on the summer right now, right? So all the pairs go slow, you know. So that's why I'm a scalper all the time. Bro, how long you did backtest before going live? To be honest, I always traded live, pretty much. But for this specific model, I've been backtest a lot to find something that can provide me some sort of income every day, you know. Look, if you guys, if you were in profit still, you don't take partial here, you're just getting wrecked again. Like, come on. Look, this is not a nice price action right now. You see those candles? They print like a cut bar, so it's not good. It's pretty slow. Cause look, this is the this is the 11 pip range, almost 10 pip range. So not crazy. It's not crazy. That's another thing that I'm gonna put on my instruction for the FX4 model. But look, if the accumulation range is small, you have a lower chance of winning a trade because like volatilities is smaller as well, you know. So look, we took the sell here. We took the sell side liquidity here, but I feel that right now we're just ranging inside this range. So we technically still accumulating, you know. Yeah, this equal high here, yeah. There's a couple actually. Those two candle here. Somewhere in the lower time frame. This when you have two wicks. So look at those wicks here, right? This is a lower, this is like a equal low as well, you know. But example, if you have like, look, this is two candle almost the same. That was a equal high somewhere somehow. But look, we took this high here. You know, that's kind of crazy when you see that. Is it fascinating? Look, this high got rate, and boom, price reverse, you know. No, I've backtested it on a real market all the time. I mean, you can do replay button here, that thing, but it's not my favorite thing. But look, I can show you the setup. I know this is replay stuff, but you know. So this is what time it is. Can I see the time? Maybe not. I'm gonna go like on a 3-minute, right? So look, the gray box is still there, right? So I wanna wait for the box to finish. So look, this is the open of 2 a.m. That's a new H1 open. So look, what does that mean? That means like we took the sell side liquidity here. What's next? Okay, wanna grab more. So looks like it left inside. This low, right? Okay, cool. What's next? Okay. Is there a liquidity? Is there a low that we can take? Maybe? No, looks like not. Confidence over time, you know. You gotta take a small target all the time. So if you trade ES example, you wanna take 5 handle, you know. And if you trade example Euro USD, you wanna go for 5 to 10 pip every day, and you do that over and over and over and over and over and over. And over time, you're gonna build a confidence, you know, because you've seen this setup all the time. And if your model is always the same, your rules always the same, and you execute on the same thing over and over, eventually it's just gonna become natural talent, right? It's the same thing as if you do like bicycle, whatever, you know, snowboard, whatever, like just build confidence over time. That's what ICT said all the time, you know. Is it the risk reward? No, I mean, if you take some profit, you're profitable, right? So how do you embrace loss? No, it's not hard. If you know exactly how much you lost, and if you know exactly where you gotta take a loss, because your trade is invalid, right? You cannot like be guilty for that, because you already know, okay, I'm taking a buy here, my stop loss is here, my TP is here. If stop loss getting hit, it's fine, because you have managed your risk, you know, you have. And if you want to feel better, that's what I do as well. But look, I'll give you an example, right? If I want to go long here, example, and I put my stop here, my TPs here, whatever. If price retrace into 50% of my stop loss, right? That means in this area here, I can close 50% of my position as well. Because I can take partial profit, but also I can take partial stop loss, you know? So example, if your risk was 1% and you close 0.5% here, and if the price go back up, you still can make 1%, right? If you have 1-2 for sure, but it's all about preserve the capital, right? Oh. Yeah. We might hit this eye here. That will be nice. This eye will be nice. And after we're gonna reach for, oh, this is, yeah, I see what you mean. This is the double top here. This is equal high. This is the clean equal high. Damn, that's a nice equal high. Fuck. Let's do the pip. Engulfing candle at 30 minute. Let me see that. Yep. Looking good, looking good. We just closed the 30 minute now, so the next 30 minutes gonna... Okay, that's a crazy move, you see that? Oh, we just take the high, the equal high, you see that? So I will take more partial here, to be honest, just in case the price retrace. Oh, daily's about to flip bullish here, you see that? Damn, daily just flip bullish. So we are about to hit the previous daily 50%, right? Why you stop trading gold? Because I don't like gold. And the main reason that I don't... Damn, that's a crazy push, right? The main reason that I don't like gold is it's too volatile. And so it forced me to trade with smaller lots, so I don't like that. And I don't like the... No, previous daily 50%. Look at this rejection. Yeah, daily flip bearish. Oh, what the fuck? Damn, you see that? They don't even care. Buy side liquidity activated. So, what time it is? What time it is? There was no setup for me. That's perfect. That's perfect. I respect that. I respect that. And as well, like, everybody is unique, right? Everybody has their own, like, digital, what's it's called? The fingerprint, you know? Everybody have their unique fingerprint. Everybody's unique. Everybody has their own face, their own, like, personality, all that stuff, right? So in trading, it's the same thing, right? So everybody has a different style, everybody has different goal, you know? And it's kind of important to understand, right? Like I've posted a thread on my Twitter tonight about Euro USD, like if it's my favorite pair and stuff like that, and people in the comment section was trying to convince me to don't do that or trade something else, or guys, I don't care, you know. Don't try to convince me to change my habits, guys. Like, I'm a master with Euro USD. Why I will trade something else, you know? We got red folder for New York. Oh yeah, I will probably sleep at that point. I believe honestly, I believe price can go down later on. and take the previous daily low. So if you're looking for a short, you want a short inside premium of yesterday, right? So look, I'll give you a good example, right? If you take stop here into previous day premium, right? And you have also your premium from the range here. So it's a double premium. And if you get like a nice rejection of this PD array, like the accumulation range high plus the Asian range high, that will be like a nice possibility for going down and reach a previous daily low, right? So we'll see. But I'm not that patient. So, and it's fine. Look, I'm not like a swing trader at all, you know. I'm taking a small trade, boom, I'm closing everything, you know, that's it. My day's done. Yesterday the trade that I've done was 5 minutes. I don't need to say the money, whatever, like the reward, but that was a good trade, you know, that was a winning trade. If you focus on winning a trade, eventually, you know, there's no limit. There's no limit. Because it's a mental game, right? It's a mental game. Remember that if you never build confidence on anything else on the market, you will always lose. And like your confidence gonna go to the drain. Everything's gonna go to the drain. You're just gonna be like discouraged, you know. So focus on small win, low hanging fruits. Focus on small win. Accumulate those small win. And this is how you build a confidence, you know. Do you think that's a good outlook for today? So short and premium? Yeah, that will be a good idea. But you need to take this high first, right? Maybe this high, you know. There's a nice fair value gap here. Still 4 minutes, but on the 30-minute, you know, you probably have something. Yeah. But look, from a 30-minute perspective, you see that how much is clean? It's kind of clean, right? Look how the price reject exactly this zone. You see that? Is it clean or is it's not clean? And don't go crazy. Look, this is your lower low. This is your lower high, cause we break this high here, right? And this is your new higher high. Then go back and forth. You have your new lower high here, your new lower high here. And if you go on a smaller time frame, you can see all of that, right? If you go on the 1 minute, boom. I can use like a separator if you want, because that was 30-minute, right? So this is your first 30-minute, second 30-minute, open of new hour, a new 30-minute, see that? And this is gonna be the close of the 4-hour here, and the end of the silver bullet. Huge fan, been following you on Twitter for a while, ICD gang. Yes. Yes, sir, thank you. Yeah, I've posted a lot of stuff on Twitter. To be honest, I like this platform. I'm not a big like social media gang or social media guy, but to be honest, I feel that Twitter have some kind of value out of that. And something that I really like about Twitter is, look, we just reached a 50%, so we technically, as soon as the price is above 50% of previous day, we are on premium, right? This is a period raise actually, so just take that in note. Still trying to understand prices fractal? Oh, it's pretty simple. I can explain you in 5 minutes. I'm glad that you talk about that. So there's a lot of fractal, right? And a good example is if we go on a daily, right? Look, on a daily, how did you trade the previous day? Can you explain? So I've explained already, but I can probably provide you something after. So price is fractal, right? This is the high of previous day, and this is the low of previous day. What does that mean? If you go on the 8 hours, this is still the previous daily low. This is still the previous daily high. It's the same thing. The price is the same on every time frame. That's what fractal mean, basically. And there's some fractal that you can identify. Example, so previous daily high, previous daily low is a fractal. You know, it's a price that can be, if you go on the 1 minute, look. If you go on the 1 minute, you have more candle than one daily candle, right? But look, this is your previous daily high. So that means this is fractal. And if you zoom in, look how this is precise, right? This is your previous daily high. So, and there's a lot of fractal stuff in the market. Example, this accumulation range high, it's gonna be the same in every time frame. 50% range of yesterday high and low is gonna be fractal in every single time frame. So if you understand the 50% of previous daily range is here, projecting on the next day, on this day, right? You can understand that this is your premium price and this is your discount price. If you check all the video of ICTs talking about premium and discount all the time, but you want to buy in a discount zone because the price is cheap compared to another range, you know. And you want to sell on a premium price. And you don't want to buy. You don't buy in a premium because price is too expensive, you know. Just that small simple concept that from ICT can change your life if you understand exactly what does that mean, you know. But you can use premium price for everything. Everything. Look, I'll show you what I mean by that. You can't go to 15 minutes, right? All right, one sec. I just want to show you something. Okay, so this is gonna be a nice example because I want an example that, you know, can provide you something. So this candle here, right? So it's a 15-minute candle, right? It's 15-minute candle here. This is the high, this is the low. So you put your discount in premium zone, right? Here on this candle. And then just gonna put some line like that so I can find easier like the thing. But if you go on a 5 minute, right? So look, this was on another time frame, your high from the 15 minute. This was the low from the 15 minute. what happened next? Price activate buy side liquidity above this high here. So activate buyers. Where's their stop loss is, you think, if they buy here? It's gonna be somewhere below down here, right? So price go back down. Look at the reaction here in discount. See that? Price go back up, boom, you know? And go back and forth. You can put your discount on another candle after and just always moving like that, you know? But you gotta be aware of the time as well. That's another thing, you know? If you put that everywhere on the Asian session, you're gonna get wrecked. You gotta trade when it's the time, you know, when it's the right time. So that's what I like about my model, basically. Because look, this is, if you think about it, this is a 9 hours range. So what does that mean in my head? In my head, that means on a lower volatility session, for 9 hours, you're gonna get some buyers and sellers like fighting each other, and it's gonna accumulate some sort of a stop loss above and below the range. You know, here, a lot of stop loss from those people that sell and buy and sell here, right? A lot of stop loss below here as well. And 2 a.m. is the beginning of the London kill zone. What does that mean? That means London is open. There's higher volatilities, right? There's more player, of course, you know, there's more people, there's more trader. So what I'm looking for is a raid of this lows. And if I get a displacement back inside the range, what does that mean? That means this was a manipulation, right? Below this fat, huge 9-hour range, you know. But as well, this range, this is the premium of this range, and this is the discount of this range. So if price go below this discount range inside a previous low under this range, right? Like that. This low here, example. Prior to this range, you know. So, and if you go like on a 30-minute, look how all this here is your manipulation, right? So if this is your manipulation, where are you gonna target your buy? If you take a buy in this area, right, you're gonna target this high here. But if you want to make, look, I'll give you a gem here, right? It's gonna be a nice gem. Don't tell anybody, keep that for you, right? But if you go on a 15-minute, right, and you don't know, like you said, oh my god, I don't know where's the high that I need to target and stuff like. Yes, of course, you want to target for this nice high. You want to target for this nice high here. But if you go more simple than that, you go on a 15-minute, 30-minute, 15-minute, perfect. This is a high. This is a high. This is a high. Look how this is precise. You see that? This is a high. This is a high. All those high have been rated. Is it crazy or not? It's kind of crazy, I feel like. No? So, because that's another thing, people need to understand that as well. But look, this is the AMD pattern, right? Accumulation range, manipulation, And what else? Just distribution, right? So this is your AMD pattern, basically. So you want the price to range for a period of time you want. So personally, I use like the Asian range plus the pre-London, you know. Price go below, rate those stops. So if we rate those stops, where the price need to go after? It's still gonna go down and forever, you know? No, it's not gonna go down forever. Price gonna go up. Price gonna go inside the range. And I fucked up, but price gonna, you can get some sort of a, you know, you can get like a model here if you want. This eye can be your breaker, you know. Whatever, you can use whatever you want, you know. You can do a 22, you can do like a 22 model here, right? If you want. You can wait but you know, the bar, like, that's the thing, like if you are to invalidate your trade, if you are to invalidate your trade below this low, don't go crazy on your entry, right? Just enter the trade somewhere here, put your stop below here, target the previous high. As long as you have a nice, as long as you have like a nice risk reward, you're good, you know. Perfect. Don't go crazy, you know. You don't need to go in the 1 minute and find like the breaker at the FVG and like all that's just, if your invalidation is there, just put your stop here and buy, take a buy and target, you know what I mean? Like, don't go too crazy, you know. Can take a look at Nasdaq. I don't trade Nasdaq. Look, that's only what I trade. Euro USD. Unfortunate. That's all I need, you know. But you know, 351 right now. I'm gonna close the stream in 5 minutes. So I don't know if you guys, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna close the stream at 4 a.m. right? But if you guys have questions, comments, if you don't like the music, you can tell me right now. So next time I will not put music. But you know, look, if you're gonna 15 minutes here, you have everything that you need. I can remove that, but look. You break this high here. So you still have some sort of so this was the low, this was the next low. This was a new lower high. This was your new higher high. This was your new lower high, filling the probably on the 10 minute, maybe. No, 5 minute. No. But you know, reject this area here. Boom, price go back up. That's it. You know, don't go crazy. You know, don't need to. If you know your invalidation, you're fine. And what I like about that is this is easy to invalidate, because look, this is your daily low. Look, this is your daily low, actual daily low. So if you have your daily low respect somehow like that, that means there's no liquidity resting below this low, right? Because we're going up, you know. So anyways, yep. Power of 3, yes, that's my baby. Power of 3. I use a lot of concept on my FX4 model. I was doing a list of that like earlier on. I use like premium discount, I use PD arrays, I use Power of 3, I use AMD, I use OHLC from the daily candle, I use what else do I use? I use fair value gap if you want. I use an Asian range. I use London kill zone. I use silver bullet window. I can use everything. You can build. That's what I like about ICT. It's like a block. It's like a Lego block, right? Block Lego block, whatever. You can build whatever you want. You can build your own model based of whatever you want, just based of your imagination. So if you think like maybe like, you know, maybe if you use a discount like that, premium, oh, that will help to get a successful winning trade, you know, just because you know the concepts, you know. This candlestick is a PO3 indicator by 2 degrees. So you go indicator here, you type PO3 in its high time frame, power of 3. So 2 degrees, this coder, this developer here, this dev made my own FX4 model. So this indicator that you have here, FX4. This is gonna be released next week. So oh, by the way, guys, if you don't have wait, damn. If you're still there, I would like you to put a like on the stream, guys, because that helped like the algo to push the stream and stuff like that, you know. I'm curious. We have 36 likes right now, so if you guys are in front of your screen or monitor or whatever, just push a thumbs up, you know, like I think that helped like a lot the community, that helped like my YouTube to grow, you know. More people, you know, more fun we have, right? But yeah, I don't know if people have thanks for the content. Yeah, I appreciate you coming. Nad, not Nad, NSD, yeah. So it's never really complicated, right? I trade the same thing over and over. And if you come every time that I do a stream, I promise you, you're gonna understand more and more and more and more and more and more. It's gonna come. And good, if you remember, like, good thing take time, right? Good thing take time all the time. If you want to build a nice house, you gotta take the time to build it. If you build it in 2 days, bro, that's gonna be a shit house, I promise you, you know? So, you know, take the time, take the time. Everything takes time. That's the sad part, but we all human. A really good habit take, I think it's 60, I think maybe Seb if he's in the chat, but I think it's 60 days to create an habit. So example, if you just give you a habit, but just an ID like that, but if I don't know, if you have like a bad habit, you can get rid of, but it's gonna take 30 days or 60 days. It's better to use the PO3 at New York midnight. No, I'll use it on the real candle, because I use the midnight open, but I just put a horizontal line. So I'll give you an example what I mean by that. So example, I'll go for midnight open here, and I'll just put like a line like that, you know, and I can put like maybe a text like 00, and I'll put like maybe like that, so you know, and usually the text is on the right side, so like that. That's all I use, because it depends. I mean, because I don't know. Because yes, that could be your new day, but you know, I like this accumulation range. I feel it's nice. Damn, you have nice 9-hour accumulation here. So what does that mean? That means when the market's gonna open here on the London kill zone, you're gonna get a rate. You're gonna get a rate above or below. If you get a rate below here, what does that mean? You activate seller. If you activate seller here, where do you think the price gonna go? It's gonna go up. Because if you activate sell stop here, their stop loss is above a certain high here, right? So that's your target. I think the price going lower. Yeah, I believe, to be honest. Look at the reaction of 50% here. That's your PD arrays, right? And look, every time the price go on the premium, it's got rejected. You see that? All that zone here. And this is your flip zone, actually. You see that? If you check the daily candle flip, this is your open line, right? So every time the price go above the high, boom, it's getting reject all the time. Look at this candle. That will be like maybe a short, but there's one, that's the thing, right? There's 1 hour left for the London kill zone right now. But not even there, not even that. That's gonna be a new H4 open in 1 hour. So look. 59 minutes left for the 4 hour switch. So example, if the 4 hour close like that, the next 4 hours you can expect like the price to go back, grab some liquidity above some high, and then go back down after to create the top wick, right? The H4 has a top wick, so what does that mean? That means during this time, the candle go above, grab some liquidity in the previous range, previous 4 hour range, boom, come back down. So right now we're at 4 a.m. So what does that mean? That means at 5 a.m. the new H4 is gonna open. New H4 open is gonna be or accumulation, you know, manipulation, whatever, on the next candle. Yeah, it's looks complicated, but it's not. It's just not. So I hope everybody likes the stream. Let me go check if we get like more than 36 like 46. Nice, amazing. So I like when people participate like that. If you have question, guys, don't be shy as well. Like, I'm there for that. I don't do a stream to show off or anything. Like, I just want to do a stream to help people, right? That's my goal. So, you always look like the XY. Yes, I have the XY on my other monitor. So, yep. I use an inverse correlation. So what does that mean? If the XY go up, EU's gonna go down, but automatically. And the XY gonna do the move first, and Euro USD gonna get the move after. But it's like couple second, right? Couple second of difference. Maybe with an algo you can maybe catch them, but even there, that's not the play. You don't need that. You helped me, thanks. You're welcome, you're welcome. I'm glad you like the stream. I'm glad you get something out of that. I'm gonna go live on Thursday night. So we're gonna do another live. Hopefully we can get some nice trade as well. Today was not a bad day, actually. It was not a bad day, but the reason why I was like really conservative on this trade, because look at the range of the day. Look, that's a 11 pip range, you know, so we are technically still on accumulation, in my opinion. Yes, we rate the low here, but we still accumulating for now for the move in the New York session. If you have a H1 candle close, how do you determine bias on whether to look? Look, if you have... One sec, maybe I have some screenshot of that somewhere instead of drawing that all the time. Pretty sure that I have something like that. If you guys don't have joined the Discord yet, make sure to join the Discord. I have so many stuff in there. I share a lot of tips, and if you learn one stuff, I'm happy, you know, if you learn one stuff. One sec, I just gotta find that. I think Thursday I'm gonna go over some topic on my Discord. And I can show you guys on the screen and explain some stuff, you know, that could be interesting. What do you guys think? That could be really interesting, in my opinion. If like I go over some topic, you know, like example PD arrays, and I talk about that, and we can watch some stuff and, you know, give you some example, you know, and stuff like that. Could be nice, I think. Because there's a lot of concept, right? There's a lot of stuff to learn, you know, from ICT himself. I hope people like listen the new Thanks God It's Friday setup that he posted like maybe 2 days ago, 1 day ago, whatever. Because that's a really good setup for the Friday afternoon. So I don't have like a good example of that. So I can draw that actually if you want. If you're still there. Can you send the it's not opening in the description? Click on it again, because it's supposed to work, to be honest with you. I've tested the link like before the stream. Maybe depend where you are. Oh, the website can be reached. What the fuck? Really? Oh, you're right. Damn. What the... Okay, so look, I'll give you the link, right? But I'll check later why it's not working, because it's weird. I don't know. Ah, the link works now. What the fuck? That was weird. If you go fx4model.com, the link worked now. And like 60 seconds ago, that was not working at all. So that's kind of weird. Oh, damn. Look at this. We just read the high from the range. You see that? That is crazy. Damn. Damn, the next eye is this one here to raid. Pretty close. There's a lot of stop loss above this eye here, right? And then after, what's next? This one here. What's next after this one here? It's not complicated, guys. Like, don't go crazy, right? If you want more precision, you can go on the 5 minute, you know. On the 5 minute, you have more high here to raid. You have one more high here to raid. You know, like all those highs gonna be raid eventually. Because if you go on the 1 minute, look, you have some sort of structure here. Look, easy. All those highs gonna get raid if price continue going up. Look, it's pretty close right now. Like the 0.5 bit. If you click on the link, Michael, Michiel, sorry if I don't pronounce your name like correctly. It's not my fault, you know. But if you click on the link, is it working now, or just want to make sure? Damn, 4-9. I've just noticed that we're 9 minutes after 4 hours right now, so it's crazy. Do you trade Thanks God It's Friday? I don't trade Thanks God It's Friday because I trade always London session, but I like the concept. I feel that it's very relevant. I think it's nice. I feel that if you're a new trader, maybe you can get some sort of profit from that. I think you can capitalize from that because it's just logical, right? You are in premium zone. You have your weekly high, and if you get some sort of structure below the weekly high, and you go between the 20% and 30% retracement, you have your Thanks God It's Friday, right? So it's nice. If you guys doesn't have like listened the video, I can probably post the link here too. So one sec. Yeah. If you guys don't have like the stream yet, please. Yeah, it's working because look. Yeah, because I have like couple people that just joined like 2 minutes ago. I mean, like, yeah. Just since I opened my live stream, I think I got like 30 people join the Discord. It's nice because, you know, everybody empower everybody basically, you know. It's a mental game, remember that. It's really is. Alright, so I gotta finish the stream now because my voice slowly dying right now, but I hope everybody liked the stream. I hope you guys joined the Discord. I hope people subscribe the channel. I want to reach the 2K goal for this month. I would like. It's still 9 days left. I think we still can make it. Pretty sure. If not, I'm gonna go live the whole week. Because that's my goal and I want to reach the goal, right? So, look, if we don't have 2K until this week, the last week of the month, I'll go live every night, every day. So, we're gonna get it, you know, easy. Thank you, mate. Class as always, nice. Appreciate you coming. Have a nice day. Have a nice day, sir, as well. And appreciate you all for coming. I hope like people learn something. I hope. And then see you guys on the next one.